Hi there, I am Hollan, and today I'm so excited to just make some fun overnight oats. Overnight oats are so delicious, they're so easy to make, and they can be stored in the fridge. And so I've just been having some fun with some of my favorite products that other people make, and so let's get started. I'm gonna start with some rolled oats. I always get gluten-free oats because I don't like having hidden ingredients or gluten. So I'm just gonna put about a cup in there. And then I'm gonna go, I love this coconut whipped cream. You can find it in the freezer. It's absolutely delicious. It tastes a lot like Cool Whip with a little coconut. And so I'm gonna go probably about a half cup of that. And I was just making this because of ingredients I had in my fridge one night, but it was one of those ones that just was so tasty I wanna make it again. Can't teach you. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fold that in. I don't wanna melt it too much, but what's gonna happen is the oats are gonna soak up this goodness and it's just gonna like melt in your mouth. So I got that on the side, and like I said, you don't wanna mix it too much. You wanna make sure you keep the whipped cream consistency. And so that is our oats. I love this cashew milk yogurt. Forager did such an incredible job. It like changed my vegan yogurt game. And so I got the plain yogurt, that way I can add my sugar and I know how much I get in. So let's go ahead and put these together. I have some fruit. You can do any fruit you like. I have apples with cinnamon to make it kind of a tasty fall flavor, or we can have it be spring by doing blueberries. So I use mason jars for almost everything in my house. They're in glass and they are so convenient. I can't even tell you. And I think they're still pretty. So with this, I'm gonna start with some blueberries on this one. And I'm gonna do apples on this one. And just a little, one down. Just a little bit of cinnamon, just in the apple one. So then we're gonna go ahead and do our next layer, which is gonna be the yogurt. And I normally do a spoon and try not to get the sides so you can see the layering, although it doesn't always work. So I'll do 2 spoonfuls of this on each one, and then we're gonna layer with the oats. And then I'm just gonna repeat the same process until they're filled up. And I do a nice little generous scoop of oats. Again, trying not to get it on the side. One more there. And then we're gonna repeat. Blueberries, deliciousness. I'm gonna do my apples again. And cut up the fruit in whatever chunk you like. Here's a little cinnamon. And then for me, I tend to like things sweet. I went to pastry school just for my love of sweet things. I'm just gonna do a little bit of maple syrup over the top. Like I said, I did plain yogurt, and some of them it's really surprising how much sugar is added in them. And so here we are again. We're gonna go yogurt, yogurt, same on the other. And then I'm just gonna go ahead, do one little finished topping. And I'll probably throw a couple pieces of fruit. And of course you can have them overflowing if you're serving these right away, which I'll do with this one. So it looks nice and pretty for whenever you have it over. And then this one, I'm gonna go ahead and just do one and cap it to show you how we put it in the fridge. So once again, these are my fun overnight oat parfaits. I hope you love them, and I hope you come up with your own creations around them.